50 digital skills that will transform your personal and professional life. Master keyboard shortcuts. Learn common shortcuts for faster navigation. Use cloud storage. Back up your files with services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Become proficient in Google Suite. Learn how to use Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides for collaboration. Get comfortable with Microsoft Office, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint are essential in many jobs. Understand SEO basics. Learn how search engine optimization can improve your website's visibility. Leverage social media tools. Use platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer to manage multiple social media accounts. Learn basic HTML and CSS. Having a fundamental understanding of website code can be a valuable asset. Master email management. Organize your inbox with folders, labels, and filters. Understand data privacy. Stay informed about data protection laws and how to keep your information safe. Stay updated on cybersecurity practices. Implement basic security protocols like two-factor authentication. Use project management tools. Tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com can help organize tasks. Become familiar with video conferencing platforms. Learn how to use Zoom, Teams, and Skype effectively. Learn digital photography. Use tools like Lightroom or Photoshop for photo editing. Get comfortable with online collaboration tools. Tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams make teamwork efficient. Optimize your website for mobile. Ensure that your website is responsive and looks good on mobile devices. Improve your typing speed. Use tools like Typing Club to increase your typing efficiency. Use password managers. Tools like LastPass or 1Password help you manage your passwords securely. Create digital content. Learn video editing with tools like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. Master Google Analytics. Track and analyze website traffic to understand user behavior. Understand digital marketing basics. Learn about paid ads, content marketing, and email campaigns. Learn about artificial intelligence, AI. Understand how AI tools can improve efficiency in your workflow. Become familiar with e-commerce platforms. Learn to use Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy for online selling. Use automation tools. Tools like Zapier or IFTTT can automate repetitive tasks. Understand online security risks. Learn about phishing scams, ransomware, and other online threats. Learn digital payment methods. Familiarize yourself with tools like PayPal, Venmo, or digital wallets. Master data visualization. Tools like Tableau or Google Data Studio help you turn data into clear visuals. Learn graphic design basics. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can help you create stunning visuals. Understand the basics of UX, UI design. User experience and interface design are critical for websites and apps. Use cloud-based productivity tools. Google Docs, Microsoft OneNote, and Evernote can streamline your workflow. Keep track of your time. Use time tracking apps like Toggle or Harvest to measure productivity. Get comfortable with online banking. Manage your finances with tools like Mint or online banking apps. Understand cryptocurrency basics. Learn about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other blockchain technologies. Be familiar with virtual reality, VR. Explore VR tools and how they're transforming industries. Learn about augmented reality. AR tools are increasingly being used in marketing, education, and retail. Understand cloud computing. Cloud solutions like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are shaping modern IT infrastructures. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Use LinkedIn to connect with others, showcase your skills, and network professionally. Create a personal blog. Learn how to use WordPress or Medium to publish your thoughts or showcase your portfolio. Improve your online presence. Learn how to curate your digital footprint for personal branding. Learn about 3D printing. Understand how digital models can be turned into physical objects using 3D printers. Get comfortable with voice assistants. Use Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa to automate daily tasks. Understand Internet of Things, IoT. Learn how smart devices are connecting and making life more convenient. Leverage webinar platforms. Use platforms like WebinarJam or Zoom to host live digital events. Use file sharing tools. Dropbox and Google Drive are great for collaborating and sharing files securely. Master digital note-taking. Use tools like Evernote, Notion, or Microsoft OneNote to organize your ideas. Understand copyright and licensing. Know how to legally use digital media and protect your work. Familiarize yourself with online learning platforms. Tools like Coursera or Udemy offer a wealth of digital skills courses. Become proficient in app development. Understand the basics of creating mobile apps using platforms like Xcode or Android Studio. Use digital networking platforms. Attend virtual events or forums to expand your professional network. Learn about online reputation management. Ensure your personal or business brand is represented positively online. Stay curious. Digital tools and technologies evolve quickly. Keep exploring to stay ahead. These tips cover a broad range of essential digital skills, from basic productivity tools to advanced technologies, providing a solid foundation for personal and professional growth in the digital age. Let me know if you'd like more details on any of these tips or need help organizing them. Thanks for watching, Habib.